everyone, Sharon here from Lilydale Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas bauble like this out of old Christmas cards. Let's begin. So this is what the bauble looks like up close. It's made from old birthday or Christmas cards, which we'll need to cut into circles. And you could use a hole punch. In the kits, there'll be a template that you can draw around, but you could alternatively use a cup or a glass. You'll also need a piece of wool, which we'll need to tie into a loop, which will be the holder for the Christmas tree. So that's what it looks like. It's just okay, let's begin. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take the circles, we're going to fold them into a triangle like this. So you're going to fold the sides first. And then the bottom. So that your circle should look like this now. I'll just do one more and show you, and then you'll need to start gluing. It's probably best to have all your circles ready to go or ready folded. I've got 16 here to make the small one. So that's what it looks like. And the glue I'm going to use, you can either use PVA. If you use PVA, you'll need to let your bauble dry as it goes along. I'm going to use a glue gun because it glues instantly. Okay, let's begin gluing. So first of all, what I've done is I've glued the piece of wool onto the back for the loop. Now you need to take your time with this because you need to try and get the corners as precise as you possibly can. It is a little bit fiddly, so let's begin. That's the finished product. Admittedly, I've got lots of strings of glue from the glue gun here, but it is precise. So just take your time with doing it, because if you do, it looks much better. I hope you enjoyed making your Christmas baubles. See you next time. Bye.